Tissot Watches epitomize Swiss heritage and innovation, blending tradition with modernity since 1853. Renowned for their craftsmanship and accessible luxury, Tissot offers an array of timepieces from the classic local series to the sporty sport line. These watches showcase meticulous engineering, precision, and a commitment to quality. Embracing diverse styles and functionalities, Tissot caters to various tastes and occasions, combining affordability with sophistication. With a rich history and a focus on precision, Tissot watches represent an ideal blend of timeless design and Swiss watchmaking expertise, appealing to those seeking reliable, stylish, and versatile timepieces for everyday wear. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 9. Tissot Watches Moto watch stands as a tribute to the exhilarating world of motorcycle racing, encapsulating high-performance design and precision. Reflecting the dynamism of moto, this timepiece boasts a bold and sporty aesthetic with a durable stainless steel case and vibrant color accents, drawing inspiration from motorcycle elements. The chronograph functionality and tachymeter scale cater to racing enthusiasts, offering accurate timekeeping and measuring speed with precision. Its Swiss quartz movement ensures reliability and accuracy, while the intricately designed dial showcases details reminiscent of motorcycle components, evoking a sense of speed and adrenaline. The rubber strap not only enhances comfort during wear, but also reinforces the watch's sporty appeal. Number 8. Tissot Tradition Powermatic 80 Open Heart 063.90722.03801 represents a seamless fusion of classic elegance and contemporary innovation. Encased in stainless steel, its design embodies sophistication with a modern twist. The open heart dial offers a captivating view of the Swiss-made automatic movement, revealing the intricate mechanics within, showcasing the heartbeat of the watch. This timepiece features a power reserve of up to 80 hours, ensuring extended autonomy and reliable performance. The intricate gilded pattern on the dial adds a touch of refinement, while the Roman numeral indices and sleek hands contribute to its timeless appeal. The brown leather strap complements the overall aesthetic, providing both comfort and style. 7. Tissot Chemin des Tourelles watch embodies a rich heritage of Swiss watchmaking excellence, paying homage to the brand's historical production site in Le Local. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, his timepiece exudes timeless elegance and sophistication. The stainless steel case features a refined design, exuding a classic allure suitable for various occasions. Its clean and minimalist dial, adorned with Roman numeral indices and sleek hands, accentuates its understated yet stylish aesthetic. Powered by a Swiss quartz or automatic movement, depending on the model, the chemin des tourelles offers precision and reliability. The watch's versatility is complemented by a selection of leather or steel straps, catering to different preferences. Number 6. Tissot Bridgeport Automatic Chronograph 18 Gold stands as an epitome of luxury and precision craftsmanship. Crafted with opulence in mind, the 18 gold case and bracelet exude sophistication and elegance, making a bold statement on the wrist. The timepiece features a sophisticated chronograph function, showcasing the intricate precision of Swiss watchmaking. Its automatic movement promises exceptional accuracy and reliability, characteristic of Tissot's renowned craftsmanship. The sleek black dial with gold accents offers a classic and refined aesthetic, adorned with sub-dials displaying the chronograph functions. Number 5. Tissot Seastar 1040mm Quartz represents a harmonious fusion of robust design and underwater functionality. Its stainless steel case, measuring 40mm, embodies durability and reliability suitable for diving enthusiasts. Water-resistant up to 300 meters, this timepiece is well-equipped for underwater exploration. The unidirectional rotating bezel, adorned with a black ceramic insert and luminescent markers, enhances its diving capabilities by enabling precise timing of underwater activities. The sleek black dial, with large luminescent indices and hands, ensures optimal readability, even in low-light conditions. Powered by a quartz movement, it guarantees accuracy and dependability. The Tissot seastar 1040mm quartz strikes a balance between sportness and elegance, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a versatile and functional timepiece, both for water sports and everyday wear. Number 4. Tissot Men's Ballade Watch embodies a blend of classic refinement and modern sophistication. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, its stainless steel case exudes elegance, offering durability and a timeless appeal suitable for various occasions. The watch showcases a cost-certified automatic movement, ensuring exceptional precision and reliability. The intricately designed dial features a minimalist layout with refined Roman numeral indices and sleek hands, providing a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. The exhibition case back offers a glimpse into the movement's intricate mechanics, adding a touch of horological fascination. Available with a choice of leather or stainless steel bracelets, the Ballade caters to diverse preferences, epitomizing Tissot's commitment to combining traditional craftsmanship with contemporary design. As a symbol of understated luxury and Swiss watchmaking expertise, the Tissot Ballade stands as an elegant accessory for the discerning gentleman seeking timeless sophistication in a timepiece. Number 3. Tissot Chrono Tour de France 116.61716.05701 encapsulates the spirit of the prestigious cycling event with its bold and sporty design. Celebrating the iconic race, this timepiece features a robust stainless steel case adorned with striking yellow accents, reminiscent of the Tour de France's vibrant atmosphere. Its chronograph functionality and tachymeter scale offer practicality for timing events and measuring speed with precision. The dial, inspired by cycling elements, showcases intricate details with bicycle tire-like patterns, complemented by yellow indices and hands. The Swiss quartz movement ensures accuracy and reliability, while the comfortable and durable silicone strap enhances its sporty appeal. The Tissot Chrono Tour de France watch captures the excitement of cycling, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and individuals seeking a dynamic and stylish timepiece inspired by the world-renowned race. Number 2. Tissot Excellence Gent Auto 926.407 76.0400 signifies the pinnacle of sophistication and horological finesse. This timepiece showcases an exquisite blend of luxury and craftsmanship with its 18 rose gold case, epitomizing elegance and refinement. Its automatic movement promises precision and reliability, a hallmark of Swiss watchmaking. The captivating dial features a minimalist design, adorned with applied rose gold indices and hands, exuding a sense of understated luxury. The exhibition case back reveals the intricate beauty of the movement, providing a glimpse into the watch's inner workings. Completing the ensemble, the black leather strap enhances the timepiece's classic and timeless appeal. The Tissot Excellence Gent Auto stands as a symbol of refined taste and exquisite design, catering to individuals who appreciate the artistry and sophistication inherent in a meticulously crafted luxury timepiece. Number 1. Tissot Rose Dream Lady 914.21046.11601 encapsulates femininity and elegance in a charming timepiece. Delicately designed, this watch features a petite stainless steel case adorned with rose gold paved coating, exuding sophistication and grace. Its mother-of-pearl dial, adorned with diamond hour markers, radiates a subtle opulence, while the slim hands complement the overall refined aesthetic. The timepiece's quartz movement ensures accurate timekeeping, delivering reliability and precision. The addition of a chic black leather strap elevates its timeless appeal, making it a versatile accessory suitable for various occasions. The Tissot Rose Dream Lady stands as a symbol of grace and sophistication,